Hello and welcome to the video. For those of you that have been living under a rock in the past 3 or 4 months, this is the FIMI Manta. This is a VTOL aircraft made to look like a manta ray, but it has tilt rotors at the front, a fixed rotor at the back, can hover, land, take off vertically, and also transition to forward flight as well. Now, I've got this one from Banggood. Initially, there was issues shipping it with the UK. That seems to be fixed now, so I've got this one in. And everybody and their dog seems to have made a video about this. So that's the reason for this video, really. Now, I finally got my hands on this one well behind the curve in terms of the hot new thing to talk about. But is it worthwhile me making some videos on this? Are there any questions that you've seen from some of the other videos and some of the other how-tos and reviews and things on this model that have left you a little bit confused? The challenge with these things is what I found is that they tend to come with a very poor installation of adhere pilot. Now, I haven't done a load of research on this because I kind of wrote this off initially as, oh no, another one of those. Because if you are watching the channel, you'll remember that it took over 6 months for myself and one of the adhere pilot developers to get the He-Wing T1 Ranger flying well, because the setup that was shipped in that was absolutely horrific. And I wouldn't be surprised if this is the same. But I just kind of want to see if you are interested in me making any topics on this or making any further content, or whether I just do it for my own edification and for my own fun. Just be aware while we're talking about this, this one did come from Banggood. I am aware that they're doing some kind of promotion a few days around the middle of November. It's called the Double 11 sale. I have been given a coupon. I've popped that in the description down below. So if you're about to order something from Banggood, please see if you can use that coupon. It will save you some money. That would be great. But let me know if you want to see me make some content on this. I'm interested to see what your opinions are. Is this one of those products that's been done to death already by everybody else? Or is it worthwhile me kind of coming at this with my experience of VTOL and having a proper look? Do let me know, and I'll do what the majority want. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.